See, what is it? Is it familiar to you? This is called Ajandakai, no? In English we will call pea, green pea or like pea, long beans. And there is a name for this one. It is called the pea and Ajandakai, and this is one among the vegetables. Every day we take, isn't it? So this is one among that. And what is it? Are you familiar for this? Look, you have to name it. Everything. Okay. This is another kind of vegetable, and that is every day we are using. It is available in the market. Sometimes it may be available in your home also. Another plant we have planted already. This is called tomato. You might have seen in vegetable market, but you may not have seen this vegetable tomato. And what is this? All of you are familiar, no? This is gongura, right? You are making chutney with it. This is gongura. And this plant, big plant, what it is? What it is? All of you are familiar. You are able to recognize now. What it is? Yeah, it is called the bottle gourd, no? Bottle gourd. Okay. Now I will introduce you some of the fruits. You are familiar with this fruit, right? What is it? What is it? Look nicely. This is pomegranate, right? This is pomegranate. You might have eaten its fruit very well, isn't it? This is called pomegranate. And it is not like a big tree, but it will become a little more bigger, that's all. Okay. Now a very special fruit you may not see in very common. This is called what, This is called cherry, what we get in red color, no? This is called cherry. Cherry. Okay, all of you like this one very much, I think. This is that tree, cherry tree. Like this, eating may not be easy because the sour taste is there. We have to put in sugar and we have to wait for 20 some days. Only then you will get it. So this is cherry. This is also another kind of fruit tree only, but the fruits are not available now. This is Java apple. This is called Java apple tree. Very tasty. Very tasty it is. Java apple tree. And see, this is called jackfruit tree. Very bigger in size in the fruits. It's very common in Kerala, but it is not so common here. Here it is called Panasakai. So it will become very big one. We are waiting for that. Okay, this is called Panasakai. And you see, do you recognize this plant? This we cannot call it as a tree, but it's a plant, What plant it is? Are you familiar with its leaves? Yeah, now you may be familiar. What is it? This is called, yes, very tasty. Very tasty, what it is? Grapes. So grapes is there, and see, the bigger one is there, bigger one. You see that? Did you see that? Yes, this is called grapes plant. And are you familiar with this tree? Very common in Telangana, everywhere we will get it. This is lemon tree. Lemon tree, you will get lemon from this. And you have seen, in the trees, there will be always nest is there. Did you see that nest? Did you see? It's a fresh nest they have made. That is a peculiarity of these trees. This is lemon tree, okay? And see, this is banana tree. See the bananas? Nice, no? This is called banana trees. In Telangana, there is only one kind of tree, banana, but in Kerala, there are plenty of varieties of bananas are there. This is called a banana tree, okay? And what this tree is? Are you familiar with this tree? You see? See, you may be familiar now. See this? Yeah, guava. This is guava tree. So everywhere guava fruits are there. It is coming. See, fruits are coming. Yes, this is called guava tree. Big ones are there, and like this, so many plants are here. So this is guava tree. And what is this tree? It is very famous in Telangana. I think in more Telangana and Tamil Nadu it is more. Andhra also. This is bear apple. This is bear apple now. It is not the time of apples, no? Bear apples, no? And in that time it will come. This is bear apple tree. And what is this tree? You are familiar with this tree, no? You call it is Seedafal, right? And you see, did you see the fruits here? Did you see the fruits here? Yeah, fruits are here. This is Seedafal, and this also will become little more bigger in size. The small one will become bigger. And see, this is chiku. Chiku. It is very familiar, no? Outside we will not. We will get lot of chiku fruits outside, and this is called chiku tree. Chikus. Very tasty. Very sweet. Its fruit is. Okay. And you know this one is not so common here. This is called star apple tree. A green fruit tree will come out like stars. No, it is not started to give fruits. So this is star apple tree. And see, this is the hero of our chapter. What it is? What it is? You like it very much, no? What it is? What is the name of this one? This is called jamun tree. Sit. Jamun tree. This is the leaf. This is the leaf of jamun. This is also not yet started to produce. And what is the color of the fruit? It is black in color. Okay. There is also a nest is there. So many birds are coming and going. See, there is a nest. Did you see? So many other trees are there. One more guava is there, Seedafal is there, mango tree is there, and everything is there here also. Here also everywhere there is. And you know, did you see this one? This is another kind of our roots. That means, you know, babru. It's famous, no? Pea. Big pea that is planted here. It's everywhere it is planted. Big pea is planted here, you see? See? And what it is? Kandi, no? Or we call it as kandi papu. Yeah, that is also is planted here. Okay? And see there, teak chatlu is there. Teak, the big ones, no? They are called teak. Then mambidi chatlu, that means mango trees are there. These are just trees. See, we'll go near to that. And see here how full sunshine, no? But when I am going to under this, so it is going to become cooler. Cooler, you see, became very cool. This is the peculiarity of the trees. Very cool. And you know this tree, no? This is a neem chatlu. Okay. So and this is so many. You know, see, birds are there, butterflies are there. So many things are there. See, this is the peculiarity of the our trees. Okay. You have seen, no? Birds are flying here and there. Birds are flying. Squirrels are there. So many squirrels are there. You know how nice to hear always the music of the nature. See how beautiful it is. See, you have got a big forest, like, you know. In order to enjoy this breeze. Oh, what a nice breeze, you know, now we are enjoying. Yeah, for that only we have made all these things to enjoy the breeze, to become cooler, make this place go cooler. And you know this neem chatlu, you know, neem chatlu, you know, neem chatlu will give make the air purified. So it's very healthy. So many kinds of trees we have planted here. So many kinds of trees are there. You see that? And this tree, all flowers will come. Red flowers will come on this beautifully. Full red color flowers. And this is called Mayflower tree. Mayflower tree. Only in the time of May, the flower come. And just got a big fruit also. You see, so much big fruit. But we cannot eat this one. It's the fruit of this tree. That's all. Okay. You see the flowers there. I'll make it show near. See, these are the flowers there. See, these are the flowers of. So this is another what do you call, yellow in color. Okay. So these are all about our trees. You may be very familiar with this tree, no? What it is? Badam. See how nice it is. Badam, so big it became. Badam tree. And this tree has got a yellow flower. Full yellow color flower will come. This one. Okay. And see this one, another tree. This is called bird's cherry. This red color fruits are there, and it is very tasty. Birds like it very much. You see, birds like it very much. So many are there. This is called, and this is very fast in growth. So this is called bird's cherry. You see, we have planted so many of that. Till there is. Okay. And now you see, this is full of like this trees we have planted. Full the whole way trees are planted. Well, big badams are there near our play court. You see, very beautiful, isn't it? This is called Ashoka Chatlu. This is called Ashoka Chatlu. That Ashoka trees. Very nice, no? It will become very big in size. Yes. And how beautiful to see, no? Away. You see, this is called coconut tree. In Kerala, it is very familiar and very common. And the name Kerala gets by its name. So this is coconut tree. Here we have got so many banana trees are there, and these all are like the small flower trees, flower plants. You see, and there is a bird's nest here. Look here, beautiful. How beautiful, no? How beautiful. This is jasmine, and this is another variety, bridal bouquet. See, and this is yellow flower, and this is another kind of flower. See how beautiful it is.